how to cancel Google Fi plan online. So in here, what you're going to do is simply get into your Google Fi application, or you can get into the fi.google.com in any sort of browser. And then from there, what you're going to do is make sure that you are logged into your Google account, right? So after making sure that you are logged into your Google account of your Google Fi here, now what you're going to do is simply tap on your exact profile on the top right here. You can see these are all of the 3 profiles that I have. Simply tap on the your exact Google Fi that you want to cancel. So after tapping on your account here, you'll actually be able to see the option of manage plan. What you're going to do is keep on scrolling until you find manage plan. Then you can tap on that one, and then you can actually see the option of leave Google Fi. What you're going to do is simply tap on that option. Now you can choose whether to port your number or terminate it. Then you can follow the instructions in order to finalize, and that is exactly how you'll be able to cancel your Google Fi plan online. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.